coming, rolling down the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when, but now I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. But that train keeps on a-rolling on down to San Antone. When I was just a baby, my mother told me once, always be a good girl, don't ever play with guns. But I shot my man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and I cry. If they freed me from this prison, if that railroad train was mine, I guess I'd move on over a little farther down the line. Far from Folsom Prison, that's where I'd want to stay. And I'd let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away. There's some Johnny Cash.